a lot of people are talking about big data and how it can apply to customer success and customer service. And really, we look at this and we say there's really three big things going on in your business. So number one, your customers are leaving this huge digital breadcrumb trail about what they're doing with your service or product and what they're doing about your company all across the web. They're using your application, let's say it's an online application, they're clicking around, they're creating this click stream, they're buying things from you, they're renewing contracts, they're calling you from support, they're filling out surveys, they're online tweeting about you. And are you looking at that data? So the number one thing is understanding this kind of digital breadcrumb trail and really figuring out what you're going to do with that. Number two is understanding how you're going to process all that data. Because the great thing is there's a ton of data. The bad thing is there's a ton of data, right? And there's a lot of noise out there. So how are you going to find the signal from the noise and the needle in the haystack and basically figure out which clients you need to be spending time with today? So that's number two. And number three, how do you take all that analytics and data and turn it into action? So how do you make sure that every time a customer has become disengaged and hasn't used your service in a while, or maybe coming up for a renewal or ready to buy something new, somebody is there in your organization or an email is there in front of the customer making them take action? So those are the things we think to translate big data into success for your customers.